Imagine a blockchain hitting $20 billion in trading volume faster than you can say crypto revolution. That's Sonic right now, and its token S is hovering at just 33 cents, teasing a massive breakout. In this video, we'll dive into the latest updates shaking up Sonic, from insane DEX volumes and juicy yields to a fund pouring millions into builders. Plus, my fresh chart analysis shows why this could be your entry point before it surges to $2. If you missed my last Sonic video where I nailed that dip, stick around. We'll break it down simply, no jargon overload, and I'll share where I see price heading next. Let's get into why Sonic is thriving. Sonic has crossed a huge benchmark with over $20 billion in cumulative DEX volume since launch. For newcomers, DEX means decentralized exchange, where you trade crypto without middlemen, all on the blockchain. This volume shows real activity on the network. Adding to that, FEM, Sonic's way to monetize fees, has generated 1.95 million in revenue for top apps like Shadow Exchange, Express Protocol, Equalizer, and Peath Network. Builders get 90% of those network fees, turning every transaction into growth fuel. It's like apps earning from their own traffic, making Sonic a huge magnet for developers. And get this, S is now trading on Coinbase with over 110 million in volume, opening doors to more everyday investors. Major DeFi players are betting big on Sonic. Aave leads as the top DeFi app with $338 million in TVL. That's total value locked, basically funds parked in the protocol for lending and borrowing. Sonic ranks among the top 8 chains powering it, thanks to its speed, low fees, and builder focus. It's becoming a natural home for apps like Aave as DeFi scales up. Then there's Shadow Exchange, Sonic's DEX beast handling over 65% of the chain's trading. It processes nearly $1 billion monthly with just $30 million TVL, boasting a 33x capital efficiency, meaning it squeezes way more volume from less liquidity than typical automated market makers, or AMMs. Shadow's racked up $39 million in lifetime fees via a dual-yield model mixing trading fees and Sonic rebates, all for sustainable returns, not hype. And what about big fat yields? Shadow Exchange just dropped over $282,000 in incentives this week alone, with APYs, annual percentage yields, like 2,600% on Ethereum USDC pairs. Others hit 1,300% for Sonic USDC, 518% for Sonic Ethereum, and more. Plus, 250,000 boosted on top of Shadow emissions for extra rewards. These aren't empty promises. They're real incentives drawing liquidity providers who supply assets for trading and earn big. Sonic Labs' Innovator Fund is in full swing, dishing out grants. 400,000 each to Hayanon AI, Silo Finance, Main Street Finance, and Amalgam, plus 800,000 to ODX Labs. It's sparking innovation. Who's next? On the tech side, Testnet 2.1 brings compatibility with Ethereum's Pectra upgrade, expanding capabilities, and it's heading to mainnet soon. Now, let's zoom into the 3-day chart for Sonic against USDT. Price is at 33 cents, flirting with the 10 and 21 EMAs, exponential moving averages that smooth out trends. It's close to breaking up, but needs a candle close above to confirm. Next resistance? The 55 EMA, purple line, aligning with the 236 Fibonacci at about 42 cents. Fib levels, drawn from February's high to June's low, show targets like 55 cents, 70 cents, $1, $1.40, and $2. That descending yellow trend line from February has rejected price in May and July. We're testing it again. A upside break could rocket us there. I'm in since the green buy zone I called last video, 25 to 32 cents. Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator is exiting oversold with 4 green candles, signaling momentum shift. Volume profile point of control at 50 cents hints control there. If weekly closes below that red dashed line, stop loss for traders. Accumulation around 20 cents again. Trim 20 to 30% at each green circle profit zone and trail stops. Sonic's fundamentals scream potential, real volume, builder rewards, top apps, with price poised for upside if it breaks resistance. I'm holding long term. This project's built to last. If this helped, smash the like button, comment your thoughts on S targets, and subscribe for more daily alpha. Oh, and check my August 1st Sonic video on your screen for the full backstory. Never financial advice. Stay smart out there. You got this. See you tomorrow.